Okay, well today we're going to try a bit of restoration on a Mattel Battlestar Galactica Cylon. So I bought this one. He's a bit of a beta. He's missing most of his chrome, as a lot of these are. So I'm going to try and touch him up, so to speak. And I'm going to use Semple Mirror, which I've used before on Play People. So I'm going to use this and see if it will re-chrome our little fella. So this is really good stuff. Quite expensive, but you do get a decent amount and it goes a long way. So let's give it a go. Create some space. My desk is a bit cluttered. Okay, so like I say, it does go quite a long way, this stuff, and it is a wonderful chrome finish. So you can see it's pretty good. You'll probably need a second coat, so what I'm going to do is paint the rest of him and then we can come back and have a look and see if he needs a second coat. Okay, so didn't need a second coat in the end, and these came out very nice. It looks really chromy. I don't know if it's showing up on camera particularly well. But yeah, he's looking really good. So all we've got to do now is put a little red dot in the middle of his eyepiece. I'm just going to use Mephiston red. There we go. So a nice, quick, easy one. So yeah, this mirror, Semple Mirror, is great for chroming toys. I'm not going to chrome the gloves and the boots because they're not too bad, and also they were never chromed to start with. They're sort of a silver, and matching that would be quite difficult. But yeah, so from a beta to a nice looking Cylon. And then I'll just have to 3D print a gun or something for him, and he can sit on the shelf with Starbuck and Apollo and enjoy himself. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to see more sort of simple restorations like this, then let me know. I do have a Black Hole Vincent that's a bit beaten up, so I'm going to probably do a video on repairing him. These Cylons really don't like standing up much. There we go. And I don't know how you would do the gold one. And the good thing about this, unlike the Molotov pens nut, is it's absolutely dry. It doesn't show up fingerprints. So if I put my finger on there, it doesn't show it up at all. And it's ready to go. You don't have to leave it weeks. And so it's not, you don't have to put it in a dust-free environment, because obviously the dust will stick to the Molotov pens. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this mirror stuff. Well worth getting a little bottle in for your supplies. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.